Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction, my name Bimariansah will present the result of research written in the form of a scientific article with the title Post-COVID Zakat Financial Instrument as an Alternative for National Economic Recovery, written by Umratul Hasanah and Bimariansah from Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University, Malang, Indonesia. Introduction. COVID-19 pandemic severely affected Indonesia economy. In Indonesia, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a negative impact on international trade relations and foreign investment. This influence had an impact on the national economic growth rate in 2019 by 5.02%, decreasing to 2.97% in 2020. This caused the number of national unemployment to increase from 5.28% in 2019 to 7.07% in 2020. Zakat played a crucial role in economic recovery during and after the pandemic. It was recorded that even though the national economic sector was affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, the collection of zakat, infak, and sodakoh this still skyrocketed by 30% compared to the previous year. This increase is evidenced by the increase in this collection from 296 billion in 2019 to 385.5 billion rupiah in 2020. Despite the economic downturn, zakat contributions increased significantly. This is due to the integrity between the digital financial economic and zakat and wakaf institutions which are considered to make it easier for people to pay zakat. The strategy of collaborating zakat zakat institution with various parties through digital transformation is a wise step in utilizing 73% of the world population who are active on social media and 87% use smartphone as their instrument. Okay, next research objectives. One to examine the role of zakat post pandemic. Two, to assess how zakat institution can aid in economic recovery. 3. To explore strategies for optimizing zakat for national economic growth. Next, research methods. The research method in this study is a qualitative method, while a type of phenomenological method, namely research that collects data in terms of quantity, but at the same time delves behind the social phenomena being studied. Okay, next result and discussion. Finding 1, zakat digitalization not disrupted by COVID-19. Proof that the process of digitizing zakat can increase public interest. In fact, the initial indication of digital visit Basnas in 2016 initially was only 1%, but in 2020 the result increased to 24%. The process of digitizing zakat is carried out starting from collection to distribution. In terms of collection, Basnas developed digital fundraising such as zakat virtual assistant. However, the aspect of zakat synergy shall not be numbered. Synergy on the policy side between zakat policies, institutional synergy, and synergy on the program side will have a positive effect on the zakat sector. Finding 2, zakat have eradicates poverty. According to the President Director of Basnas, Muhammad Arifin Purwakananta, the question with digital financial technology of the Central National Amil Zakat Agency, Basnas, has managed to collect zakat of around 130 billion rupiah. The achievement by using digital increased by approximately 80% compared to the same period last year of IDR 70 billion. Usually, the average increase in zakat is 40%. Precisely when COVID-19 occurs, mustahik generosity reaches to 80%. The level of Basnas service has also been improved so that people like to convey their zakat to Basnas as a place to receive their mandates. Finding 3, zakat funds contribute to national economic growth. According to the zakat potential mapping indicator EIPPZ until 2020, the potential of zakat in Indonesia is worth 327.6 trillion rupiah. Meanwhile, the 2021 year-end report saw that zakat collection nationally has only recorded 14 trillion. The fund has experienced a high increase, although the potential is still greater. Therefore, optimization is needed for zakat collection association so that zakat contribution continue to increase, especially to improve welfare and poverty alleviation. Finding 4, zakat as a driver of national economic recovery. Various zakat management institutions have now built 514 zakat village. So they will be massive again, so that in 2023 it will become 1,000 zakat village. If this can go well, the government's effort to eliminate poverty will be encouraged by the assistance of zakat village initiatives and stabilized by the community. The purpose of the Kampung Zakat program is to improve the welfare of the people. The purpose of Kampung Zakat is the economic development of the people in accordance with the economic potential in the region, such as agricultural and fisheries. It is expected that least one district or city as a zakat village. As a conclusion, in order to improve economic condition post COVID-19, zakat fund have succeeded in increasing welfare and poverty alleviation. Zakat funds have helped increase national economic growth, and zakat fund have been used to drive programs to revive the national economy. That's my presentation. Hopefully the result of this research can be useful for readers. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.